I request Shri Shekhar Singh, Commissioner PCMC, to greet and welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendraji Fadnavis, with a memento. Please accept this as a token of love and appreciation. Honorable DCM Shri Eknath Rao Shindeji, या सन्मानाचा स्वीकार करावा ही विनंती.
सादर प्रणाम, नमस्कार. हमें इस सूचीकरण की शुभ अवसर पर
As also both the Deputy Chief Ministers Thank you, and I now request the Honorable CM to please present the mementos to all those who have contributed towards the successful listing, beginning with the listing memento to PCMC. This will be accepted by the Commissioner, Shri Shekhar Singh. The listing of Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation Green Municipal Bonds will be done by striking the gong very, very shortly, and this is the listing memento, a mini replica of the gong that has been placed on the stage. And now, a memento for Shri Sundararaman Ramamurthy, MD and CEO, BSE. I will call out the next name, please be in readiness. AK Capital Services, we have Aditi Mittal, Director, AK Capital Services on stage. Could I request you, ma'am, to kindly step ahead and accept this memento from CM, sir? Next will be Palladium Consulting India Private Limited. Can we have a representative of Palladium Consulting India Private Limited on stage? I will call out the next name. Please be in readiness. Rakesh R. Agarwal and Associates, the auditors. Please come near the stage and stand. Right now it is Palladium Consulting India Private Limited. Next on stage, Rakesh R. Agarwal and Associates, the auditors. I will call out the next name. Please be in readiness. Chingde and Associates. Chingde and Associates, please be in readiness. Right now it was Rakesh Agarwal, auditors. Chingde and Associates, on stage please. Next, please be in readiness. Khaitan and Company, come near the stage. Khaitan and Company, right now it is Chingde and Associates accepting the memento. Next, Khaitan and Company, please sir, on the stage. Next, I will announce the name, SBI Cap Trustee Company Limited. Please come near the stage. Right now it is Khaitan and Company. And next on stage would be SBI Cap Trustee Company Limited. I will announce the next name. Please be in readiness. KPMG Assurance and Consulting Services. Right now it was SBI Cap Trustee Company Limited. And next on stage will be KPMG Assurance and Consulting Services. I will announce the next name. Please be in readiness. CRISIL Ratings Limited. Please come near the stage. Right now it is KPMG Assurance and Consulting Services. Next on stage, CRISIL Ratings Services. CRISIL Ratings Limited. Next, I will announce the next name, PCMC Accounts Department. PCMC Accounts Department, and this will be accepted by Praveen Jain, Director of Finance, Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation. And could I request Concept Communications Limited, the agency, and we may have Vivek Sancheti onto the dais, please. So let us have a round of applause for all the untiring and relentless efforts and hard work that has been put in by everybody towards this listing. Okay, ladies and okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the momentous time for which we all were awaiting, the ringing of the gong. Could I request CM sir, DCM sirs, and all the dignitaries to kindly proceed for the ringing of the gong. So let us be in readiness to give a countdown. Join me in cheering. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heartiest congratulations to Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation on listing of their green municipal bonds. ढेर सारी बधाई।